So what's up, guys? This is RW146 here. Just wanted to show you guys the newest car that I picked up, and it's something that I've wanted to cross off my list for quite some time, as I'm sure a lot of car enthusiasts would like to, especially one that's like this. This is a 1989 240SX, and this car I actually picked up off a buddy very recently after my Subaru got cut off in traffic, which I'll be doing some updates on that car as well. But this thing just popped up at the right time and I had to hop on it. This car is a clean title against an 89, and it has just over 130,000 original miles on it, and it is one of the most complete bone stock 240SXs I've ever seen in my life. There's a few modifications that have done to it, but nothing major. It still has the bone stock KA in it. Other than that, it has a set of ISC coilovers on it. It did have an ISR catback on it, which I changed out for a custom setup with a MagnaFlow stainless muffler and some custom 3-inch blast pipes, just to give it that little, something at the end. Even has the stock amber taillights, and I have a set of reds and clears for it, but I'm not even sure if I'm going to put those on. Let me show you under the hood. This thing I'm just blown away at how clean this car is, honestly. All right, here. Yeah, like bone stock, more or less. But you can see the coilovers in here. Brakes are all brand new. It's got new plugs, new distributor, long tube headers, and that is about it. So I'll give it a start for you real quick. But I got plenty of plans for this car. I'm actually planning on doing a 5-lug swap to it, which I already have the parts for aside from the hubs. I have a set of 3-piece split 3-spoke super advans going on it. I'm going to lower it a little bit more, and then I'm going to take it from there. I also have a Nismo 4.08 two-way LSD for it, and then after all that's done, see where it goes from there. I really don't want to mess with this car a whole lot, just because it's insanely clean, and I kind of feel bad about cutting it up and doing something crazy with it, but we'll see how that happens as time goes on. I'll give it a quick start for you. There she is. Honestly, really excited about this car. There's so much you can do to these things, and it's so easy to do them wrong, but I'm going to try to keep this one simple and do it right for you guys. So if you want to see more of this car, I'll probably do some updates on that car as well, the GTI. Again, I have the Subaru that I'm fixing up that I'll do some updates on as well. This is probably one of the first videos I've put out in quite some time on this channel, but I'm planning on really hopping back into it and doing as much as I can to put out some content worth watching. So if you like this video, you want to see more of these cars and anything else that I have going on, I also have a Fox body Mustang that I'm building into a drift car at the moment. Please give me a like, subscribe, and share this video, and we'll get things going. All right, see you guys.